Assalamu alaikum students, we are here with a new poem, So You Thought. So this is a very beautiful poem, and just before the explanation I would like to tell you, since this poem is very long, I will not be able to read the whole poem. So I've just written the beginning of the explanation of each stanza. So you thought you'd get away with it because you're pretty smart. But don't forget there's someone else who knows exactly what's in your heart. You may be able to fool others. So the explanation for this is that, as you know, we are talking about whom? So you thought you'd get away. It is about Allah, and it is about the heart. That Allah knows what is there exactly in everyone's heart. You cannot, we may be able to fool others, but we cannot, we absolutely cannot fool Allah. By telling the half to suit your cause, but in case it slipped your mind, you're subject, you're all subject to Allah's law. Now, here also again, the poet is telling us that sometimes it happens. We may want to say things what is only suitable for us, and we think, okay, we can get away with it. It is hidden away, and only, my friend doesn't know, or XYZ, the person doesn't know. But we should all know that it is always Allah who knows everything, and we are all subject to Allah's laws. Means everybody has to give their record to Allah. That will never go unnoticed. Deeds are judged by intention. From that there's no escape. And remember, angels watch over you and in readiness await. Here also again they are trying to tell you that this is the picture I've shown here, that deeds, you can do good deeds, and you do bad deeds, okay? But these deeds, every deeds, the base of that deed is what? Your intention matlab how you're thinking about it, okay? The way you think about it, in that way we are going to be judged. And who is going to judge us? Definitely first is Allah. Then Allah has who else is there who's going to record every action of ours? They are the angels. And we know that there are the angels are there in Islam, and you have to believe in believe and faith in the angels also. To see if you will mend your ways and right what you did wrong, even if it means your face turns red, it won't last for very long. See, now again here, what does it mean? Even, to see even if you will mend your ways. And sometimes what happens, that as I told you, every action of ours, whatever you think, whatever you do, it is all in the heart. You are going to do it, but it is in your heart. So every intention, एक सांस का रिकॉर्ड अल्लाह पाक के पास है. Everything is recorded by Allah. And then who constantly records us? The angels who are there for us. So here also it's telling, they are trying to tell us that sometimes it is very difficult to say sorry. It's a very, like a very heavy thing to go and say sorry to somebody. But once you say it, and the face turns red, and everybody, see, this picture is showing the same way. Everybody is looking, oh, this boy is at fault, this boy is at fault. And when everybody's 10,000 eyes are gazing at you, and you are the one alone standing over there, you feel that everything is lost. But that moment everything is lost. But on the day of judgment, you will be getting better points than somebody else for telling the truth. That is more important. And saying sorry. Admitting you were the one at fault and facing the consequence, I am sure you will agree with me. You'll feel so much better about yourself and soon have a good feeling inside, because you were upright and faced the truth and pushed away your pride. So here again the poet is telling that it's better when once you say sorry, that time it's a very difficult moment. Everybody's looking at you. How should I say sorry? How should I say sorry? But when you end up saying sorry, you feel much, much better, and you feel that you have done something good inside, and you were able to gather the strength and the courage to say that I am wrong, and you pushed away your pride. Pushed away your pride मतलब इसको हम लोग कहते हैं उर्दू में ana सामने आना. Ana मतलब मैं. Ana means in Arabic it means मैं. Ana means मैं and I. You know, when this word I, every time you think it's only me, I'm talking about myself. So it becomes very difficult. It cannot be like that. You have to think, okay, I have to do it for somebody else. Put somebody before you, things becomes easy. So in the end, what is Allah trying to tell us? That first of all, every action of ours will always be noticed by Allah, has and always will be noticed by Allah. After that, every little small actions are noticed by the angels. They are constantly watching over us. And then the best way to mend your actions is to say sorry. And that time it's the most difficult thing to say sorry. You have to put away your pride, but then you'll feel nice that yes, I did something right. So here the poet is trying to tell you that you think. So you thought is the past tense. Okay, think is the past tense of think is thought. You know that I've already told you that. So what we think that we can get away with all these things, it is not. It is impossible. So Allah is watching. So Allah is watching and recording. So happy learning.